Hey guys, Zenai here, and today I'll be doing a couple of example solves. I'll probably be doing three, and these solves won't be like the most efficient or the best way to solve it, but it'll just be showing you how I would solve the case or the scramble that if I was given that specific scramble. So hopefully you would find this video useful. It's not it's going to be like intermediate to advanced. So yeah, here's the first scramble. Alright, so throughout this video, the OILs and PLL algorithms that I will use in this video will be shown on the screen. So the first scramble, let's see what we have. So first, I'm probably not going to do X cross in this video. It's me myself, I'm still learning how to do it perfectly. And yeah, or if I spot easy cases, I might. So yeah, so the blue white edge is here, green white edge here, yellow, not yellow, what am I saying? White and orange edge, and white and red edge. Right, so it's not that easy, but it's kind of easy. So what I would do is I would do an L prime to bring this down, and as we know that blue is the opposite to green, so green is here, so we can do R prime. I mean, this is L. Then I would probably do a D first to orient this, since the red edge is already oriented like this. Then I'll do R prime again. Then I would probably do U L2 to insert that. So I might choose to do this one first. So this as well pair, how I would solve it is just with the L prime, U prime 2 or U2, whichever you would like to use, then L. Now what that does is that it sets up a 3-move insert that we can just insert into the back slot with orienting like this, and R prime, U prime, R. Then I might do this pair, the orange green, and yeah, the orange green pair. I would do a U prime, then L, U prime, L prime, and we can insert it to the back slot. There's a few ways. We can do a sledgehammer at the back, or oh wait, messed it up. Yeah, or we could do something like white L, U, L, U prime, M prime. Yeah, then I might do this one, then U2 to set this up, then L, U prime, L prime, then a U2, then just insert. Then this pair will be R prime, U2, R, then U. Then we can just do F prime, U prime, F, or we could choose to rotate like this or like this, then insert it like that. Then the OLL for this one will be displayed on screen, as I said. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do it. Then the PLL will also be displayed on screen. So yeah, that's for the first scramble. Now on to the second scramble. Alright, now for the second scramble. Let's see. Alright, so blue edge is here, white edge is here, green edge is here, and yellow edge is here. So what I might probably do is that we know that this is already opposite. Then what I might do is R to make this opposite, then D prime opposite, then L R prime. It would make this all opposite. Then I might insert this one with a U with a U, and then L B L prime. then a d2 to finish it up. Then while solving that, I saw this pair which we could solve with just the r prime u r. Then we could rotate it, and instead with the r u prime r prime. Then this pair we can top with the l u r prime and rotate here. Then insert it with the r u r prime. Then this is kind of a tricky case because it's where, yeah, it's, so what I would probably do is I would rotate here, then do r u r prime u prime r u r prime. Then yeah, rotate here again. Then we see these two edges. We can solve it with the u prime. Then l prime u l u prime r prime u prime. I mean it's a u. Then l. Then the OL will be displayed on screen. Then the PLL will also be displayed on screen. Yeah. On to the third scramble. Alright, so third scramble, let's see. Yellow edge is already oriented, red edge, green edge, and blue edge. So what I would probably do is I'll probably do d2 to make this opposite, then r prime to insert, d prime l, then f r prime f prime. Then I might solve this one first with the u, then r prime u to r, then u2 again, then might insert with that way the white l prime, u l prime, yeah, l, then u prime m prime. Then let's see, yeah, I might solve this pair first. I would l prime u l u l l prime u prime, that, yeah, then l prime, then u2, then l prime u l, then this pair with the u prime r u r prime, then r prime u prime r, then it's already paired, so u2 r u prime r prime. So the OL will be displayed on screen and PL. Yeah, so I guess that's it for the example solves. I might have wrongly set some notations, which I'm sorry if there was any mistakes here. And yeah, hope you find this video useful, and see you guys in the next video.